out and compare the last election and see whether you have maintained your base or not. In fact, isibonisa ukuthi with all these leadership challenges esiba nazo affected ukuthi singakwazi ukungena at the ward nakhona kuyabanga umbango all over the place. In spite of that, we are voting. In fact, ama voters aze athi zolinda niqede yonke lento yenu. Mase niqedile nibuye kithi. But lento yasilimaza the thing le. So on the whole, in Mpumalanga we are actually growing. It shows an interesting trend. Yabona to assess umkhonto wesizwe, you must also understand ukuthi other places will respond differently. Abantu banemcabango kwezinye indawo more so further away from KZN ukuthi ngathi into yase KZN leya. Yilento esishintshayo kakhulu in Limpopo. We are trying to undermine the thinking layer, and also in Mpumalanga, in the further northern areas of Mpumalanga, around the Sabi and Mhlanga as well, and areas closest to Gauteng ngoba le persuasion bayile bayihambisa kakhulu. Nani nizozwela masebenza lo door to door ngama loudspeaker nona abavoteli labantu into amazulu kwasho kacima, maybe not as strong lana because of obvious reasons ukuthi the Nguni base is strong lana. So bawu assessa i-performance yethu must also understand ukuthi i-base kume kanjani, abantu abapedi ba responda kanjani kithi, amaXhosa responda kanjani. The most exciting part is Eastern Cape, the Comrade Chair. Eastern Cape in the NPE sathola last about below 2%, kodwa manje we are easily getting 15%. So yabona mawubheka le picture so you understand ukuthi manje 2026 election is not about 2026 election. It's about 2029. You stay busy to get public representatives who are able to gain access to state power, to deliver for our people, campaign utilizing the state, and grow our forces on the ground. Ukuze, the main project of 2029 Kati country, but the 2029 is dependent on 2026, which is performing kanjani. In between, we must always gauge ukuthi sikuphi. Siyahlangana nabantu siba represent ama views wabo, mabanganamanzi umkhonto ukhona. Across the board abantu basitshela ukuthi siyanibona niyahlangana emphakathini present, but nihlangana nicula lengoma zena nizi kithi. Anandaba masinamanzi nithi gwaza mkhonto gwaza abantu bayazizela. Masifuna ukulwa no mayor anikho khona lapha sinibona ukunenzani. Instead nivele nihamba no ANC ngathi ningabangana siyibona into yenu. So lento le ikhona emphakathini la abantu basitshela bona ukuthi gadani nalento le. So ningathi ngoba sanivotela lokhuyana you still have the vote. So nilani ngithi niyenze sure ukuthi siyanithemba niyasilwela nisirepresente sinibone ukuthi ningakangeni uzokwazi ukusenza lento enzosithembisa zona na ningasase ngaphandle. So some of those views I thought I must just share uthi angikhumbuze zona manje Norman ngizobe ngenza iphutha if ngizoyehla ngingabonisanga lokho. So I think kuyabonisa ukuthi a serious province lapho nesizoba ne state power or great access of influence of state power is Mpumalanga sort of KZN. Ngokubona kwami ngathi kuyosheshe kube Mpumalanga before Gauteng. So but it requires izinto lezi leadership and the canvassing and focus for us to be aligned. I think there's incredible potential and ukusuka from 3%, 5% to go to 18, 15% that's on 10 in land. That's a very big jump. So just imagine sifika thina kusele maybe 4 or 5 days to consolidate. Imagine if you had gone and canvassed the entire voters roll, says figure up on it now is status 40% of the people. Imagine the numbers of us goes to that because you've spoken to more people. So I think they ifuna ukuthi sondelane sibambane, hold each other accountable, be transparent but be comradely as well. But sometimes we assume that unity is the absence of differences. And unity is the presence of differences, but for us to have a space and engage and find each other in a respectable way. So bengicela ukuthi le mfundiso eyakhe Council of Elders nabanye singaphumi kuyo hlale kuyo. Ngiyabonga. Amandla.
Amandla. Comrades, ngiyabona ukuthi siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi bafikile bafike nento ephilayo. Siyabonga candidate wethu uzokhona ukuregisterka. Kodwa okwenzakelile sijabulisa celebrate. Yena wangasipha amazwi awashoyo ukuthi njengoba candidate mina nawe ngiphethe emgodleni. Candidate becela nje uyibongele ukuthi sekuhambe kahle yonke le process ngoba nawe bo stress bayizolo. Bebangekho abantu beso stress soyithu hlele khona. Ngicela usukume candidate uyibongele ukuthi konke sekuhamba kahle. Meeting neya mama ngizokunikeza ngicela ukuthi uyibongele. Besinenkinga enkulu asikalali nje.
Ufashoni lo uyayazi impilo ishayo. Uyayazi ufashoni lo uyayazi impilo ishayo kanje. Uyayazi impilo ishayo. Away. 2. Long live President Zuma, long live. Long live President Zuma, long live. Run Ramaphosa, run. Run Ramaphosa, run. Away with DA, away. Away with DA, away. Down with GNU, down. Siyabonga comrades. Sinibingelele comrades nonke, ngibingelele ngokukhethekile. Ucomrade Baloyi from the National High Command. Sibingelele ucomrade Chairperson we province. Simnikeze i-assurance at the same time with comrade Chairperson wamgelekile Mkhondo. Comrades, sithathele thuba sibonge i-opportunity nesikhathi senu comrade Baloyi nesithathile ukuzoclarifya umoya. Siyabonga lokho, ngicabanga ukuthi sonke soba ngasihamba ngedirection eyodwa. Upon saying that, comrade Baloyi, ngime phambi kwenu, we are giving you an assurance ukuthi Ward 14 is in the bag. The ANC voters in majority, they are disgruntled with the ANC. They have given us the assurance that we are going to vote for you, but don't mention us. So the 900 that is required is buye nayo. Go tell President Zuma ukuthi akasidonate inkomo ye celebration Comrade Chairperson, on a serious note, in the spaces ngane ngisithola ku Chairperson la, ngicabanga ukuthi kuzomela sikubonge, sik-appreciate at the same time sikuwonishe. You are surrounded by snakes. Ababhadarwa ANC. That you need to know. Mawujika ubuyele ekhaya, that you must know. Umkhondo uxoveke kangaka yinyoka eziskipa ama programs eMK sibathole kuma factional battles eANC. The reports that you are receiving about us are not true. Comrade Baloyi, iMK isifundisa ukuba honest. We must be honest at all times. We were once classified as a brigade gamel. Simsupportile throughout. But when the decision was taken, we all opted to unite with Umkhondo and support the leadership ECO. And we are still maintaining that. So, siyisho le ukuze nangelinye la singazitholi kule space. I've made a commitment kulo mphakathi when we started the process ukuthi angeke ngibe ikhansela. Ngizoba umntwana othumekayo. Ngizoba ubhuti kulabafowethu. Ngizoba ubaba kulabantwana abancane abashiwe bafowethu. Because iMK isifundisa ubuntu. We will be the first ward ekuzobonakala imisebenzi yeMKP eMpumalanga. Siyabonga.
Batha asinikeze umama aphendule lapha la sibuze khona.
Manda. Viva Ward 14, viva. Viva Msholozi, viva. Comrades, thank you so much for ukuthi sithole le YouTuber size namhlanje. Ni acknowledge i-interim leadership esize nayo la ngikhona. The most important people namhlanje i-community yase Ward 14 size ne-leadership ye-Youth League from national, even from regional, size ne-interim regional structure, size ne-interim secretary. There are political things ezenzakalayo, and I understand Nina as AMA Ground Forces, we should be making sure that we take leadership ye province where they are going. So I would want to address ama issues avelile ukuthi kubhlungu ukuthi kube ne propaganda nje ehamba iya phansi phezulu, and of which it causes unnecessary confusion and division kuma ground forces. Une group ekhona leadership yase Ward 14, and ngangithe ne chairperson ye Ward 14 ayifakwe kuleyo group. Eya establish amasenza ama by-elections since the beginning yama by-elections. Every time kuna national election manager, provincial interim manager, the interim regional, the detachment, and then kune sub-region, kune ward. Kuleyo group leyo, that's where we start. Now we declare our election elders. IEC ufaka i-declaration, especially after the passing of the candidate, uyasithumelela i-declaration ukuthi nawo ama-election. With these ones, azange basithumelele on time. Kwavele nje kwavela pututu, sekuya-register. And when uComrade Njabulo asibhalela as-detachment ukuthi kunama-registration, it was like unbelievable. Mangicheka nale PLC ehlala for all the parties ukuthi, but why are you not sending us a schedule? Base basithumelela even after the registration, which we said to uComrade Njabulo as the personal dealer nge-issues organization. Can you make sure that, okay, you'll represent us because you are there. Now the interim election team, ni make sure that niyagada kumzini. ANC, normally they will pass in people from other wards to come. And then kungenzeki lokho. Nanoma sekuyo-register online, be vigilant with people abangahlali kule ward banga-register. Kwadlula-ke sayithola-ke leyo program. In that group, kula sishare khona i-schedule list ukuthi ama-registration anini, candidate fanele register siya objector, candidate register nini, closing date is 24 on Monday, and then after that kuzovulwa for ama-special votes for laba abaye emakhaya, for laba abazongena e-station ngelanga lama-special vote, which is the 15th. Nasiqeda leyo process bazosithumelela yona, sizoba ne-voters roll yakhona from there. So leyo group, that's where we discuss election things. Kube buhlungu ukuthi kuleyo group nakubhalwa kudiscuss ukuthi okay kwenzakalani bese kuba kwangathi kunama-sell out from abantu bakule basemkhona. And the way a council of elders bafundisi, I would urge you ukuthi let's not allow the spirit say division. Sibonile black people divide kaningi. Ama Oppenheimers, Ruperts and everything, they've done it, they are still doing it. They are dividing us, funding smaller parties to divide this bigger Africa, looting our resources. Kubhlungu ke ngibone nina nixosha umntwana wenu, abantwana benu, as if ngathi they are outcasts. Bafundisi nikhona nama-elders. Omunye manje baceda umu-admit esibhedlela. So unfortunately, we are making the enemy to be excited. I think ngimentionile ba-Council of Elders, nalesikhathi manje nangithi ngiyeza ukuthi kube nezinkulumo ezimbi. You can't have umuntu womkhonto, upresident angazi ukusho kayengaki. Le ndaba zama-WhatsApp bafundisi ni number 3 after president. You are our councillors. Yini fanele nikhuze. You don't speak like that. Uyothukana ubiza umuntu futhi kube ne-cyberbullying. Une-crime esibiza ukuthi cyberbullying. Mawuzovuka ekuseni wena uyathukana nge-VN, uyavuka uyathukana. At the end of the day, the very same people bazivotela njani. Khona manje governing page, for example, uthola abo smash bagcoke ama t-shirt, umuntu uzophansi ngumkhwebane phansi, khwebane this. Umkhwebane waziwa worldwide, not even South Africa. Then uqala labo bantu bazosithatha serious. What does that mean? When others are coming to you, nasine ATM lapha, athi hayi nasengibuyile mina nganginikeza ama 2000 ukuthi ngithuke, because WhatsApp is a tool of the enemy. President ushilo wathi this is a tool yokusdivide. MK face all these challenges. So unfortunately ke kubhlungu ukuthi nina nizothatha the information ningakezwa mina directly ukuthi ngithini kunosibu angazofukhona ebekananda bhala ku group le province ngim-answer ngithi no, there's no such, but this is the correct information, because I think it's an issue esifaceayo ukuthi i-ANC will never want us to win. I-DA, GNU, all other parties, they would actually, a white person won't have your interest at heart. So Tina's promoting that spirit. So i-issue yokuthi why singezanga ngama registration, that was the misunderstanding. But kwaba ukuthi hayi kune person oku detachment owa ananzwa i-national through the proper processes akayo attend. So and then after that ukuba reminder ke kule group, and that group was only meant to make sure that Mazibuko si assista siku back end. And Mama raised a very important thing ukuthi nini what 14 kwenzakalana ukansela wenu ofanele enze all those things. Ngizwila ngithi i-councillor lethu preparation to 2026 namanje i-councillor kunama requirements laba bangena ku political education besidila ngayo njengobasho ngeke kube ne-councillor esizomfaka lapha othukanayo usuku nemini, councillor ozabadakwa, councillor ozabe anje you understand, because akuyovota i-Ward 14 yomkhonto, yovota everyone outside. Manje thina nasiloko ke thina sipha i-enemy all this information bazosithatha njani serious, vela ngeke basivotele. But then I think those were the unnecessary propaganda nje ukuthatha information ediscussayo ukuthi kube ne-structure ngoba sikwazi phela ukuhlakazeka kungabi nokuthi as a chairperson or these 8 people angeke sikwazi ukuthi sireache all the 17 sub-regions 401 ward. Now sikhuluma nge-ward eyi-1 kunama interest wa all those. So sikhona ukuthi sincedisaneni uku-overseer that. That was only meant to do that ukuthi abasemkhona nakekelani lapho nis-overseer the process. So indaba ubaloyo ukuthi azange asayi-unpack eMpumalanga ukuthi kuthiwa hayi uluza ama-election vele nalama ngentshelo wona ukuthi mina ngishintsha ama-candidates. Throughout, it's people choosing their own candidate. I can't do that. Umkhonto uclear. Eward 18 people bazichuzela, eward 31 bazichuzela, eward 6 esabi bazichuzela, ekrili bazichuzela. Ibile sabi I was not even there. Bekaku regional ubuyehlanzeni. Yibe bebarana the process and then benza sure ukuthi ikhansela lithando. And then ewa ekrili the same thing nase governing big. And then they run with the process because people must choose. Unfortunately, Gula, the ANC is interfere khona. Who responsible for the police national? Uguti, how are we going to change that? But I must indicate Uguti, kuwo wonke lama wards, lama by elections. Because now the agenda yakabani ye enemy to make sure to discredit this chairperson and the provincial detachment who die by a loser. But if you check Ward 18, yes, the performance was terrible, but then it increment here by 10%. Ward 31 increment here by 18%. Ward 6, I think it be lower, 3%. Malafeni, Ward 26 si losing part. What did we do? Since it cancel ibehang. So that's the power of Umkhonto Wesizwe. The numbers have increased. Askai winning, but sibenze ukuthini kube ihang municipality. Governing Begi, we didn't win, but then again the numbers as they are showing, it was terrible there. Uguti, you can't have a by-election of Ward 14, mapilon. Bese nina nine issue, nge detachment, niyokwenza I celebration of Ward 8. Then people banthatha njani? And then bese nifike Ward 8 nina nihlobisile niyakhuluma i-councillor noma khona but nikhuluma ngomkhwebane ne-leadership uyokhuluma ngomnisi like I'm just saying umnisi uyalapha uyohlambalaza isibongo sakamnisi uthi yabona mina ubaba mvele sidakwa ngamfuna ngenze then ucabanga basahloniphane nabakamnisi. Exactly. Now if people bathengwe i-ANC ukuthi njengoba shilo nalama candidate nasiwakhetha thina cawunti umphakathi uvotile eGoverning Begi there were 2 people the one who was succeeded, the lady wagcina yena ke ayohlala phansi and then ke athi abantu bam abavote. Uyabona ukuthi kwenzakalani? Amama bangavoti kwaba nama allegations ukuthi is, but they pay them. Nina, you might be innocent. Governing be agree who spendwe 71,000 ebuya legislature and they make sure ukuthi i-chairperson ne-detachment ne-treasure as participate la. Kwenzani lokho? Imali ayiphi ama-volunteers ukudla, akuna i-transport, I see enough yokulanda ama-voters and all those. Ukuhlangahlanganisa nje, and especially before the elections. Bese kwenzakalani? I-blame kuba ukuthi I chairperson yena losing. But how do I have any impact on that? Governing bekuluzwe 60,000. Again, the members of legislature. Mama, I don't have control over ukuthi ubani. Nami ngifike fanele imkhondo ibe nama delegates legislature. Not only imkhondo. If Sibande is leading, but I never bantu ele. Remember, in terms of the 3 regions. Yes, in terms of the 3 regions, it had a leader because of Mkondo. So that's why I don't have the control over Tubani or Fawad. That is a decision yaga president. And the president was law. Uguti site that legislature in a 9 members. And out of the 9 members, savele sathi-ke ngoba sibantwana bomuntu oyi-1 asihlapuleleni lentethe ibe equal. Mina ngangithe akube 3-3-3. Uyayibona ngoba is 9 positions. Leyo ke decision yakabani ye-national and nama officials. So that was what we agreed on. Indaba ke yaka Comrade Yende. Comrade Yende uyaseva ku-interim ye-additional ye-regional. Indaba kayende yokuthi ngize ngithi it's because we only appointed the sub-regional election interim leaders. Basese interim. Ama-regional sathi awame sizowa reconsider. Either none must have an interview, but if they are fine and indeed the region or the sub-region is fine with them, then we proceed now. So we will play a role which we appreciate it. But hence I was saying that, and that must be approved by the detachment and especially the chairperson. So I mentioned it in that aspect. Magaidali role is fine. So I see now the report is submitted, your budget. Inkinga ekhona, okay, governing beki, kube nokuthi 60,000 spent, imali inikezwe people as the leadership sibekelwe aside. That's a challenge ekhona la ukuthi imali ye-legislature yaphuma iye kuma comrades we detachment abasidistancile from the detachment because they've written letters, especially unkuna bano AP basidistance we detachment, but imali bayikhipha through bond. Ama-volunteers akakahle kuba nje that thing yokuthi everything is not okay. I mentioned it ku comrades basemkhondo masise governing bay ngathi nabeza lapha Ward 14, make sure ukuthi you can't uthengela ama-volunteers bile bebangathengela ama-volunteers comrade bekunama VDI3 bathengela only 10 ama-party agents agree babathi bazoprovide ukudla for 200 volunteers and then nama-party agents, no 200 volunteers aid, no transport and everything. Governing the same thing happened, 2 rolls, 3 rolls, the salad. And then also to spend over 23,000. So those are the things Nina definitely be careful ngazo. Ngoba manje issue la people are making money at your expense. You understand? Emkhondo na budget ngiyayibona isubmitiwe up to 156,000. Well, that's what Tina what 18 and what 31 on the same day. Satoli imali through National Assembly. Leso sikhathi singacontrol imali kusese no comrade Umeri. It was only 20,000 as I told, but then everyone wa manage ukudla. Saya esabi, I think around that. Really, we were not part of that because basically using money legislature, 71,000, but people never ate 60,000 government. So now ngibona kufakwe i-budget 156,000. So Council of Elders nabantu basemkhondo fanele nina ke not basemkhondo be were 14. Ni make sure ukuthi these things I was telling uThandeka eGovernment ukuthi ukuthenga inkomo ihlatshwe for the 2 weeks udliwa ama volunteers ayibenza ama door to door babuye badle until first day and second day mara la ngone nibhale 3 days I don't know why 15 to 17 ngoba nge-16 holiday but ke fakiwe ama special vote nge-16 angithi njalo nge-15 then nge-16 akwenzeki into but la nifakile i-door to door ngeke yenzeka ngithi kuvalwa a day before the elections. So ngibona kubudgetelwe lokho and then no that's what Pele legislature possibly will be paying. Ngiyabona nifakile nokudla nama elders nama gazebo nako konke. Yeah. That's what I'm saying. We need to then make sure ukuthi nina everyone kune transparency there niya participate. And then ngiyayizwa ke le yokuthi uComrade Bongani uyangimention sivumelene naye ukuthi njengoba zibukashila ukuthi angithi bengisho abanye benu ukuthi inkatshwe nangamatshe and whatever all the things are out there. Yebo. But that's the caliber of people eninabo ngoba lezi zinto lezi zingena kulama social. Is there everyone. Abantu balaba basho njalo sifuna akangezi uyaluza wenzani. So namanje there's an issue which okay akanga participate and all those. What we will do Tina ukuthi sivumelene no Comrade Baloyi ukuthi yena nethimba le region nethimba le sub region ingazike ngoba naku ke uComrade Nkosi is one of the sub regional people and ugu MPLC as well. But that letter is a fraudulent letter. Okay, all right. Whoever resigned is fine. No, we will get somebody efanele sim register for Uguti from Kondo, not 114 from Kondo. Uguti on Monday are registering a candidate. 1,000 rand and all the requirements efanele senze. And then sub-region, they what? No election manager. Baza run the whole process. So Tina si province usas contact yena elections manager, provincial national election manager. Okay, province, we need this because see province, Council of Elders, asina any resources. Tina. Ama members of legislature ahambile wona vula ama account, they control, they do everything. So siyabonga ama t-shirts azoshiwa ku cancel everyone wabonile we cancel a candidate and then ke nale mali nayiphuma yena uzasebenza nale team. But we are hopeful ukuthi this time ama volunteers bazoba nokudla ama t-shirts azoba khona bafakile nama posters if bawabhadala ngale mali ngone babhale 150 then ikazafakwa. But then if ngabe bekuyi national because the other by election national yayisupporta nga 500 yama poster nama pamphlets but ngoba already i province njalo I legislature can avail some money. At first we were struggling because of the former party leader lapha legislature. So now laba baya avail but go by avail to the people who are not supposed to be. But yena uzasebenza nabo. And then ke kutholakala ama poster, kutholakale ke nokudla and then kutholakale na more t-shirts if the t-shirts are there. So inking in nenda because normally what we budget ukuthi ngelanga lama special vote kuba nama name like nakunama VDI 3 la kune VDI 1. Ema VDI 3 tokuthi each car ithelele petrol ye 500 and then ne e-hailing baki iyabizwa possibly ke if kuyimali engako mhlambe bayifake a week or whatever nayiza ke e-hail normally e-hailing izabe charge aboma when imkhonto sekudeni from there, but if bathatha mhlambe zase KZN izaba seduze abanye ba charge aboma 3,000 rands per day because basuke ekudeni. So mhlambe kuzabonakala ukuthi kucharge malini, but then again nakunjalo ngelanga le vote nakunama VDI 3 each VD ine taxi yayo. Le lama sheets lawa are very important. Ngalelo langa ke sinama contact sinalama sheet, then yiwo ke siya ngawo ke emzini. Uyasikhumbula ngene uyovote. That's what we need to be doing. So imoto zizabe kusho kunalezi ze special vote ezihamba ne-IEC in the morning and then isitheloli petrol bese kuba nalezi ke zalelanga lokuvota amakhumbi normally because our takes bese ayo pick up again endlini. So la it's very easy because if VDA 1 and then ama numbers now to 900, then it's very easy abaningi bazasifikela lapha voting station. And then I hope I've clarified everything. And then National Elections Manager izabe kungiyo ke thina sizathola i-feedback kuye yena uzasitshela ke ngoba if kungafuneki sub-regional kungafuneki i-regional ne-detachment, we will get that feedback. And hence I said la I'm coming kusempumalanga. President Zuma said I must be anywhere, which not any no-go area, because that's what I came. Ukuthi nanoma ke bazonkapa ngamatshe bazabe bankapa upresident abhekile, which but there's evidence to that, and that's the evidence engizoyisebenzisa ukuthi ngivumele National Elections Manager yes ngifuna ukuthini, ngifuna ukutshengisa ukuthi how damaging what you are saying to the public is, ne? Because the issue ukuthi kufanele ngishiswe mina. That one niyayazi, no not the call. Yasempumalanga. Ukuthi propaganda. I have evidence today. So leyo evidence yokuthi kufanele ngishiswe. Okay, mina I have that evidence. That's why I'm showing the evidence, ma'am. So that's why that's also, but I have evidence to that.
Comrade, uchairperson sosokupodium sizonikeza isikhathi ukuthi zami sokumprotect usasepodium. Yes, mara usasepodium chairperson. Yes, sizonikeza izandla.
That is dangerous.
Comrade.
No evidence. I have the evidence. Ngiyazi ngifuna ukuthini mfundisi. Ngishela ukuthi nasekubuza ukuthi wena wahlalela muva why allow, and there's evidence. Nalabe nithi basebenza ne-ANC. Ne? Ngiyayicela mina leyo evidence. Singavale sikhulume kuphela ni produce leyo evidence and umuntu vele kudilwe ngaye i-evidence eproducewayo, because mina I do have that evidence. You understand? The case ivuliwe, the protection order ivuliwe. So that's why ngifuna ukuthi nathi asenzeni njalo. But mina I'm still saying bafundisi nama elders, you need to make sure ukuthi unqamalala, because now unqamalala is exposed umkhonto wesizwe in such particular issues. So that was my information engifuna ukuyisho ukuthi ke ngizodedela emuva si allowe i-National Elections Manager idile ngale matter. So kwamanje ke si ready ukuthi sizahamba ne-councillor siye emphakathini senze futhi more door to door, because senze 64 kuphela la sisese na more. Yes, ngizasinikeza and then sibone ukuthi siphusha njani, but we are there, we will support you. Siyabonga.
Siyabonga kakhulu comrade. Bona ngathi kunabaphakamisile lapha. uphuzulu azosecretary
Fair yithi because thina senze just ama report sacela ukuthi ngizwe ngathi uchairperson uthi hayi emva kwemeeting sizoba nayo i political